Hey, Savvy Beauties, it's your girl Crystal P, the Beauty NP, and I am back with another video in which I am coming to you live from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And let me just say, if you have not been here, you need to get here because this part of Mexico is honestly so beautiful. It's so green. Let me see if I can give you guys a little rounded out. It's so green, much like Costa Rica, except it is only 3 hours from LA. So it's beautiful. We're out here celebrating my 40th birthday, and I'm inspired to do so much content because there's so much beauty. And I just wanted to pop in really quick and do a quick video about the time limit on hormone replacement therapy or hormone therapy, because I have had many clients come and tell me that their doctors said that they can be on estrogen cream, for example, for a couple years, and then they would have to come off of it. And I just want to let you know there is no scientific base or clinical evidence that shows that you can only be on hormone therapy for a certain amount of time and then you have to come off. There is a theory, however, that we don't like to start women on hormone therapy who are 10 years outside of menopause. So say if your period stopped at, your menstrual cycle stopped at 52, then we want to get you on hormone therapy somewhere before you turn 62 years of age. So say you were 52 and then you started hormone therapy and you were on it from 55 to say 60, and then your doctors told you you could no longer be on it, and then you come to me looking to get started again, then those 5 years are subtracted. The 5 years you were on it are subtracted from your total years of the 10, if that makes sense. But even so, even my mother, she is about 14 years outside of menopause, and I will still start her. I still started her on estrogen. I started her on a very low dose. My mom is a healthy woman. She only suffers from like hypertension, which is well controlled. That's the only disorder or disease that she has. So we are able to start at the case-by-case basis, but typically we like to start it within the 10 years. So please do not let your doctor say that you can only be on estrogen cream, which we can start estrogen cream whenever. Like there is no scientific research that says we have to start it by this age and we have to stop it by that age. So estrogen cream, which is a cream that you rub down there, it keeps things nice and moist. It keeps your labia majora and minora nice and supple, because estrogen, when we lose estrogen through menopause and perimenopause, it can create that area to be very dry and very brittle, and some women experience very severe pain when trying to have intercourse. So you can start estrogen cream in your 20s if you want, and you can go for the rest of your life. So please do not let your doctors tell you that you can only be on hormonal therapy, especially if it's working very well for you. Please do not let them tell you that you can only be on it for a certain amount of time, because that just isn't true. There is a little bit of wiggle room we have to do, and a little bit more consulting and getting your medical history as far as when we start you on hormone therapy, but you can be on it for as long as you want to. So I hope that helps, because I have had many clients who come to me and say like they're feeling amazing on their hormone therapy, but their doctor says they can be on it for another year and then they have to get off. And that is just simply not true. And it's my goal always to make women feel and look amazing as best as they can and not have to suffer through things such as perimenopause and menopause symptoms. So I hope this has helped you. If you are someone who your doctor or physician has told you this, it just isn't true. So if you want to go ahead and get in contact with me and maybe do a consultation, you can click the link that is in the description. And also please go and download my hormone journal, Hormone Symptom Tracker. This allows you to track your symptoms for up to 3 months, so that you can go to your provider, who is either providing hormone therapy for you, or your general practitioner. And when you're first explaining to them that you're having these symptoms, you're possibly going through perimenopause and menopause, so that they can see what your symptoms are, when they occur, and hopefully put you on the right regimen. And if you feel that you are not getting the right regimen from your general provider, then please seek a hormone specialist or a perimenopause specialist outside of your provider if you are able to do so that you can get the answers and the relief that you need. So again, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video, and please go ahead and comment if you have any questions, or if you find this information insightful. Please tell everyone that you know that they do not have to suffer from menopause and perimenopause symptoms, and that there is treatment out there for them. So I hope this video helped, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.